Hi everyone. So in Windows 11, if you just go to your maximize button on any window, you can see this type of menu and it's called the snap layouts in Windows 11. But sometimes we might not want to use this, or maybe this is kind of annoying that you can just see this option or you can disable this option in Windows 11. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off or turn on the snap layouts in Windows 11. Basically, this snap layout can easily snap any window to anywhere you want. Like if I just click here, it will automatically snap it like here, or I can just maximize it or minimize it. Anything I want I can do with this snap window. So I'll show you how you can turn on or turn off this snap layout in Windows 11. So for this we need to go to our start menu, and from here we need to search for system. So we can see this is the system option, so I just click on system. So actually system is all the settings that available in this PC. From here we can change other kind of settings, and from system we need to go to this multitasking. Here you can see multitasking, and here you can see first option that is called the snap window, and you can see this is turned on. That means if we just go to the maximize icon, you can see this option, and if I just turn off this, now if I just go here and you can see there is no option is showing here. So this way you can turn off this snap layout in Windows 11, and there are some system and some settings you can customize below this checkmark box option from here. So if you want to keep this on, you can just turn this on, or you can turn off anything you want. So I hope you understand how you can turn off snap layout in Windows 11. I hope this video helped, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.